Hey guys, welcome to Coco's Cook. Okay guys, what we're gonna do today is gonna be something a lot of fun. Okay, when you have friends around, when you want to entertain, you want to have a good time, you want to have a few drinks and everything, we're gonna do some appetizer. What we're gonna do today is gonna be fried vegetable medley. That would be potato wedges, blooming onions, and fried zucchini. Boom. Okay guys, what I'm gonna show you now, some of the ingredients I'm gonna use for frying. Main ingredient, flour, right? Then will be seasoning salt, which I make with salt, pepper, little bit of garlic, little bit of chili powder and paprika. Then just salt and pepper, just to enhance, cocoa spice, turmeric, your choice. If you want to use it, use it. Then milk, which I mix with a little bit of water, right? And a little bit of eggs, just to make a little whitewash. So where I'm gonna let all the vegetables rest, and then put them in the flour, and then into the fryer. Okay, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna clean the potatoes, but before you do that, make sure you wash it, right? Then you come and you clean it. You can peel it all the way around if you want to, or you can just leave some skin on it, right? That's your preference. Myself, I like to leave a little bit of the skin, right? And then when you come and cut it in half, cut it lengthwise, half medallion, right? That's your preference, right? The next step will be to cut the onion. I have 2 onions, right? I'm gonna show you how to cut it. You cut it from the top. Make sure that the nut is at the bottom, so the onions stay together, right? So you cut it at the top, and then cut it in a way that when we fry the onion, it's gonna open up. Boom, this is it. This is what you want, right? This is what you want. Okay, and the last ingredient, to fry will be the zucchini, and this is already being washed, okay? So what you're gonna do first is cut at the end, discard, right? Cut at the middle, right? And then your choice, whatever you wanna do. If you want to cut it in coin, you know what to do, right? My preference is make some sticks, right? So it will match with the potato wedges. All right. So, okay, guys. What we're gonna do right now? All the ingredients are mixed, right? Batter is ready. Potatoes in the batter, right? And we have a dry mix. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna mix it, put it in the flour, put it in the fryer. Okay, I'm using my bare hands. Okay, I wash my hands frequently. Every 2 minutes, I'm going, to clean my hands, and so then again, this is the best way to cook, right? If you wanna use tongs or whatever, it's your choice, right? In this case, myself, I feel, good like this. I'm gonna mix it. Yeah. So my potatoes, mixing the eggs, milk, and a little bit of water. Hey, but listen, if you wanna make it more fun, just put a little bit of beer. You can replace the water for milk, and that will make a beer batter. So it's your choice, okay? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using milk, so I just want you to know. Okay, so we're ready to fry. Okay, we got the potatoes ready to fry, but Hey, guess what? The basket broke. So we have to improvise. Okay, but that's not gonna stop us from frying. Guess what? This, give it a little stir so they don't stick together. Okay, so same way how I did the potatoes. Now we got the zucchinis frying, okay? And I just want you to know something. The fryer is set up at 350 degrees, okay? So they won't overcook, they won't undercook. And cooking time will be probably like about 5 minutes, all right? And don't forget to stir, all right? So they don't stick together. And give it about 5 minutes, and when you see them floating on the top, they're done. The last ingredient that we need to do that we need to deep fry, onion. Okay, you gotta make sure that that the onions get like real nice and marinate. Then we put them into the flour. We need to make sure that the flour gets into all inside the onion. And this one is ready to go. The second onion going in. Okay, as you see, they're ready to come out. Okay guys, if you want to see my next video, fried vegetable medley with fried chicken wings, check my next video. That's a wrap. Coco's Cook.